Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so follow up on Brad. Someone asked me how high can Brad go? What's the peak of wave 3? So I'm guessing you're asking the peak of wave 3 in yellow. And I thought we did that yesterday, but maybe I wasn't clear or I didn't do it, didn't show it. I don't know. Okay. So if this is the wave 1, and indeed this is the wave 2, the third wave, it should bring us between, well, I would say minimally to make it really work. Well, minimum 6 cents 3138. Ideally, we go higher, 6 cents for 681 or even higher. But this is if now is able to give us a very nice push to the upside. We're not there yet. We're still into a correction mode. Now I have another scenario also, which is the orange one, that this is the A wave, possibly still working into this C wave, and perhaps this was the A. This is A, B, C for the B. And let me see here. Not sure if this was it. If I go on a 15 minutes, it's a little bit better. Oh man. Forgot to unselect. Let me remove these drawings first. Otherwise it's going to be crazy. Okay, so 15 minutes. And I did the extension, wave A, wave B in red, and you can see that we did reach the 1.618 band on. So this wave C could be completed, and that would close the B wave in orange. So this is another scenario, but you can see very shallow pullback for this B wave. I honestly would prefer if it goes deeper. If we keep it that way, I just keep this count here, but I just added the 1-to-1 ratio wave A, wave C, and it brings us to 6 cents 0689. Now, yeah, honestly, I feel comfortable with this count. I wouldn't feel that comfortable to call this. Okay, I didn't select it. A wave 1, 2. All this is a 3, a 4, and a 5. I'm not sure. I mean, it could also work, and it would be a diagonal. And a fifth wave, I do have a diagonal also. 3 waves. So that also could work. And for that, then you can see that I put the label circle wave 1. And now I think I need to change the labels now because this is crazy. So this is for the yellow. And I should add another one for the blue. So hopefully it's clear. I have like 4 counts here. I have the yellow one, and now we would be ready to push higher. I have the orange one that this is just a big A, still working on a B, and we're going to have the C. And I have one more bullish because I can kind of count 5 way up. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a little bit more, well, it's more bullish. But it's not my main scenario because it's not crystal clear. But if that would work out, I can actually add the 0.382 just to have an idea. So we do have from this potential wave 1 an A, a B, and a C. And as you can see, we really almost reached the 0.382, which a wave would do. And so now we are missing a B, and after that a C. I'm going to drag it here and check if we can react in this level. And now, yeah, now it starts to be interesting. We have so many options now. So once again, this is the A. The B, honestly, I would have loved if it would have done already a 3-wave movement, but B and C, I'm gonna put it in light blue. And if this, well, I mean, this A wave look complete, just wanna remove this one. Actually, I can also remove the 0.5. So if we can go a little bit and stretch a little bit higher, maybe reach the 0.786, I can really call this a complete B wave. We're missing just a move up, and after that another move down, and that would be good for the wave 2. So we have several scenarios. As you can see, some short-term bearish, but overall, unless Bitcoin really start crashing and it goes below 107, then everybody is doomed, I would say, and then we need to start to look for possibilities, or what are the probabilities that the higher high of this cycle has been already reached, and now we need to wait for a bounce back to liquidate or start to be into liquidation mode, to just taking profits and that's it, and get out. And I know some people, it's like last cycle, we were all expecting great things, but we were in a third wave, and some black swan event just prevent Bitcoin to reach its targets. This time is very different because it almost reached it. So, under 27, and we went to under 23. I mean, it's pretty damn close. So it is important to understand that we do have 5-way up, and yeah, so this is a greediness, right? We should have started to take some profits already. I didn't, but I did a little bit. But then I reinvested here in the dip. So this is the time now. If this doesn't work out, maybe this is a little bit messy. Let me change here. Did I do the... Yeah, exactly. I did it here. Let me say... Okay, so now we need to be realistic and check how price reacts. If he's able to do 5-way up, and then, I mean, this third wave has to be very long if we want to reach these targets here. If we have something shallow, we need to be prepared for the possibility that this is the A, B, C, and you can see that here it's the fib retracement for this possible B wave. So this could be the top here, and this was an A, a B, and a C for the A, and this could be a B, and we're going to do a C. All right, so we need to prepare for that, and possibly all that is going to be an A, and then we're going to have a B and a C, and you see what I'm going with that, right? So even though I'm not bearish, we need to start to implement the possibility that this could be it already. Sorry. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.